we come to plead on behalf of our Daisy. Nobody is happy over what happened. But we are begging you to please temper justice with mercy. The girl's mother is dead as we speak right now. And there is nothing we can do about the burial because of this girl in question. Please, please, forgive, please. Please, we are begging you. Yes.
Okay. In that case, what do you want me to do?
Biko, Oga Paulinus, Biko, we all know that the money in question is a very big money. But we know the Bible says without sin, there is no forgiveness. We want you to forgive this little girl so that her mother can be buried. Please.
Yes.
Be buried.
Exactly.
Please.
I am not surprised. I am not surprised that two poor men like you left your wretched compound to come and beg me. Yes, I am not surprised because a poor man does not know the value of money. You have left your home to come and beg me to forgive a girl who has stolen my 570,000 naira. Eh? Do you know what it takes to be a rich man?
It has not gotten to that.
Eh? Do you know how a rich man makes his money? Eh? Look, let me tell you. I will not let that girl go until she has coughed out every bit of that 570,000 naira. 570,000 naira.
Paulinus, we know it is not a small money. That is why we are begging you, please. Please.
Oga Paulinus.
Jide, I don't, if it is on this matter, I don't want to hear anything again. In fact, case closed. Eh? Start justice with mercy. Please, now leave my store. Eh? Happen to shop. Any one store, walk, please. I want to know. It does not look like take it easy now. Take it easy now. What?
Oga, you sure say they barra before? You don't barra before?
You sure say they smoke before? We don't smoke before.
Me. Ah! I did. From sugar, you call me banana. I did swallow him.
You just swallow him?
Ah!
From sugar.
See, my own move will not be. No. You don't different from our own now.
Donna.
Light him.
If you look this guy very well, you go see say you go don't smoke it for like.
Who? No, be here with it.
Don't play with this guy person now. Just like give him.
Can a long John.
Then I named the banana for
Oga, light him. They puff and wear.
I dey move and not be perfect. Is it?
Drown.
No bro. Onya.
Dragon.
Now today, banana go banana you. You said? Huh? You said?
Donna.
Amen.
They don't know. Hey,
Dollar.
Madam Onsuka.
Part one season 1.
That's what place this time.
Okay.
Hey, don't talk to water bed for you. Like that well. Now water bed.
Getting there.
Now water bed.
Gradually.
Enjoy yourself.
Dollar.
What? See. Where are they for Suka? Where are they? Oh.
Banner for Suka now.
They don't banner for. Banner for Ubuku.
Where are they for Suka? Where are they for Suka?
Banner from Suka enter Germany.
Where are
Donatus, we are in the one of the men.
Bella?
I mean they call Bella.
Don't turn to Bella.
Me, Bella.
Don't talk to Bella.
No problem.
No.
No, bring it.
Dollar, leave her now.
Go bring Gary with water.
Ah!
Gary pure water.
I don't cool.
Where are they Suka? Ta! I'll finish all of you. See. Dollar.
I love you, Dollar. Now me na part and kill.
Come here. Dollar. Where are they for?
Don't commit suicide. Don't commit suicide. Don't commit suicide.
Where are they for Suka?
We know there's a good don't no good.
Hey. See. Hey.
This is not good. I have been looking for this idiot everywhere. No knowing say una bring am punk come smoke. Why did you allow him to smoke Imuna?
We just want testing brain.
Then
And nine say for Suka they call them banner. Say that them be smoking.
No be only
Saying
banner.
they smoke. You know
Yes.
what?
Saying they smoke escape joy.
And no be saying I escape. And normal weed we give. I mean just the Jones.
This thing no be laughing matter, abeg.
Saying they smoke escape.
How you give am more? You never see the weed.
See the Gary, the Gary
never
boy
even drive reach half. Now you begin perform.
Abeg, this one no be. If this person why they see so, if you run mad, all of us don't enter. Na big wahala be that one.
hey, mad.
This guy is going mad.
What am I come here?
The one where you smoke, you never get yourself.
Isi ga sani. Dollar.
Look, listen attentively. You have only one chance to live.
Do you hear me?
If in the next minute and you don't tell me the truth, I'll strangle you to death. Do you hear what I'm saying? Did you hear me? Did you steal the money? Did you steal the money?
Why are you wicked? Why are you punishing me for no just cause? I've told you to kill me instead of punishing me like this. Why? I didn't do it.
Listen to me. What is this? What is this? I'll use this. I'll blind your face now if you don't talk the truth. Tell me the truth.
I did not do it.
Tell me the truth.
I didn't steal the money. I did not.
I can see that you're a hardened criminal.
Now give me my money, make I dey comot.
To make it. I say the craze well. Eh? Come. Wetin give you liver to stand for my front to dey talk rubbish? Eh? You the craze? Wait, you wan carry megaphone begin tell everybody say if I go buy you market, he no give you rubs. He dey mad.
Guy, leave all those ones. Leave all those ones. Now wetin? Now market I say give you money for hand, back for ground. Cut and come make I dey leave.
This one wey just go gather liver. Come here, come enter this thing, come dey form this thing on top this thing for us, guy. Eh? You know say me, Spider no dey for too much talk. Eh? He say though no day today. Eh? Make you come another day. Make guys no change for you for this place. So.
Spider, listen to me. Spider, I say make you listen to me. Condition be no good for Nash. Now make you dey for back. Shey you dey hear me so? My guy, go up. Damn!
Take a look around you now. You see anybody with a smile here? Yeah? We are smiling, man. We're balling. We're balling, man.
I go jump
You the craze? I say the craze. Wait. Me take on. You just waka come here, I won't begin fight my guy. Free am. So man, you know say you fuck up, eh? This is where you come here, come form this thing. Now, man, ask you something. You know say person wear naked, no dey put hand for pocket. When you water the thing, you can have. You come here, come the form package on top. Now, I just damn. Come here. 3-1. Anything where you call her, man, don't come here, come the form packaging for us. On top the packaging, where you done the package, even though you dey packaging less, boy.
See,
damn it, boy, free am.
See.
And what also?
No, I for post this guy selling now.
On your bottle.
Shit.
On the thing I can have.
What do you want to do, man?
When naked, the put for pocket.
Nah.
I see the package now, on top packaging. Even though you package less, boy.
Spider.
You do that way?
I do.
I don't say what case.
Yeah, man, thanks.
What didn't do you?
Don't go finish up. Where the enter that? Yeah, one enters.
you supposed to drop them now. You don't understand?
Nali, on the package.
Are you there?
Ifeko, you know, see for this girl, you still dey learn. You dey learn for this girl. Maybe they don't tell you say you still dey learn, but they let you know say you dey learn. I swear to Papa Chooks ready for up there. I swear, if you make me remember you, one bit, maybe you never ask them, and tell you what my name be. Now maybe Nikki one shukuma for this ghetto. Now shook you for that your dirty boy. Give me that money. Come on, give me that money. Chris.
Nikki, you the craze well. I saw you the craze. See,
Amen.
If I run enter your life for this ghetto, I swear you no go ever like your life again. As you waka come here, if you tell me say you the hate, make I just give you money, make you go chop. Because I don't say the hate, you dey your body. No be come here, come dey talk rubbish. Go chow now, no thing na wetin you find for.
Ifeko, they claim hard man, elephant for the jungle.
Na me be Ifeko.
If you make me spoil this your road, if you make me remember you see this your road, I go give am just one kiki. Onari, but not forget, not just forget. Honanyama, I dey wash you.
Oh boy, mind yourself, oh. When you come here, make you hold yourself, oh. If you do anything, you will hear something. And if you do anyhow, you will see anyhow.
You don't say that.
That baby.
You don't say I go soon suck in blood for this ghetto. You don't say.
You don't just get tattoo.
No worry. No worry. I go soon suck in blood for this ghetto. Now me be Ifeko.
That guy enter ghetto come the form packaging, on top packaging. Don't forget say get people where done the package. Before packaging, learn to the package. On top the package, where we done the package. Before packaging, learn to the package.
No peace.
This is ghetto, hard life. No man, no lily. If you no find them, they will find you. If they find you, show them say you follow ghetto. Ghetto life, oh. Ghetto life now, oh. If you know tough, you no go survive for ghetto. Ghetto life, oh. Ghetto life now, oh. You get as it be as it get. For ghetto, ghetto life, oh. Ghetto life now, oh. If you know tough, you no go survive for ghetto. Ghetto life, oh. Ghetto life now, oh. You get as it be as it get. For ghetto. Ghetto life, oh. Ghetto life now, oh. If you know tough, you no go survive for ghetto. Ghetto life, oh. Ghetto life now, oh. You get as it be as it get. For ghetto. Ghetto life, oh. Ghetto life now, oh.
Mama,
If you know
let's go give you your.
you no go survive for ghetto.
Wow. I make you dey talk like that for fun. No be me now. If na me run am, you go know now. No be me. Oh.
Where is sense? Wait, I beg you, call her.
Are you suspecting Cesar?
Not really. Call her. You just hard and do like that. What's going on?
Mama, you never know the go.
And I been like that DPO English. Oh, that in Barita go well. Jolly. Babe, hear me.
Where in the cell?
gas.
Bring Ojuku come hero.
You don't yell at us. Let's go DPO original. You need $.
DPO don't mod. Sure.
That's sure. Why they like now. That's my problem. I don't know who collect it.
But that man a nice guy, yo.
That's good news, though.
Yeah. Speak out. We are hearing you. Okay.
You guys killed him.
We killed him now. We don't need to hide anything for you now. We'll kill her. We just tell you because say we know say you know what's up. I hope they will go through.
Now for you, Ekelebe. So can't I be just a reason like Mugu? How come now they will come get trace for matter what we run? You know if it happen now, you should know.
See, Ekelebe, people know if you trace our job now, you know now. We are professional. I need to query you. You know what Ekelebe?
So why did you call me?
See, Inspector, it's for you to meet up with the IPO because the stumbling block is out of the road. That's all.
What about the money?
The money? Okay. Do you need it now or later?
Let me talk to you first. I'll get back to you.
Okay. Yeah. Nice one. Just tell and say now he go be the next to if you fuck up.
Straight up, man.
Just let me talk to you.
Fuck up.
You say na popping so.
See, the gate that we own, ABK must fall out. We will let him know the Oraman no say no go only and Sabiam. We still Sabiam. I will be the moral for this gate.
Nice idea. I tell you now. Kosi. Koti come be Koti. Say na popping so. By welete. Onto senge.
Kara 1 years at 32. But 4 na 2. I dey shed tears. No be say my heart dey melt. But na because say people wey carry my blood, people wey dey carry their fight for head, dey wish me dead.
Also waiting now, ABK. Nobody dey wish you dead.
Mama, free me, make I talk. You know me better, mama.
Man, let's go. I said you don't be good leader at all.
Ebike, watch your tongue. Why not hide the tongue?
Point. God punish that dustbin where they open send her mouth.
Huh?
No provoke me, before I start with you right now.
God punish me. Onto which level, Ebike? Huh? Onto which level? No. Don't tell me that. Why does the man God punish me? Huh? You the great. Who you be, ABK? Who you be? See this woman, oh. Now, Mr. You go say. Now, I'm gonna see this woman, oh.
Point. I go match you down now, here.
Hey! You go match you down? Me? You go match me down? See, if you don't match me down, I go send you go back to the same you.
Sense.
You go match me down. See, if you don't match me down, I go send you go back to that side.
Who you be?
The Chris?
See,
now free this guy now. Who be this guy? What you gonna do? Who you be now? Who you be, man? Go back my face, go back!
The Chris! Hey! See, I don't tell you, look at me for you. Hey! I don't tell you, club hotel. Look at me. Tell me. Oh, don't free me now.
Why say you sir? You're not too much for this ghetto.
See, look at me for you. Look at me for you. I don't tell you, club hotel. I don't tell you, club hotel.
Dollar free me now. Every day you buy.
Boy, you want too much. This is why. Where are you? At the counter. Man, let's go. You, man, let's go.
ABK. See ABK.
Where you? Man, let's go.
No be 1-0. Free out.
What ABK you say make God punish me? Me and him, mate. Or because then we operate together here. See me, I talk my mind. I no send that for this family. I no send them at all. After when they said we operate normal and nothing they happen.
Point, relax. Point, don't you relax.
And the boy.
Don't be ABK. ABK. Melesi Ojina.
Don't like the boy.
Melesi Oji, Obugoro Nyota. Make him no say 1 + 1 = 11. So relax. How one I'm going to push you? What did they bring that one now?
Don't wait. Now why would they waste my time upon that thing wey be APK? Now where you get that moral?
I wonder.
Where you get the moral wey you go take the year for us for here? Say I no talk, no be say I no know wetin I go do. I just keep quiet because in the paper. Na me root am, na me go uproot am.
I wonder, Mama. Who him be? Who be ABK, Mama? Otala una siga. Who him be? Oh, Shasha.
I bet make una keep that matter by the side. Make we talk better thing. See our information minister here. He say he get better information for us by Abriwa way.
So, Mama, nothing the share. Na me, Opere, misconnect for this ghetto. I get information. Where we say go give us better dough. So make we chill. Only baby BK matter.
No, don't hear am now. Now this kind one we go to talk now. No be BK we don't die finish.
Now what for you?
Very small but mighty.
So honestly, Mama, if they don't know these faces where they are not on Instagram.
Misconnect. 1 + 1 = 11. I said 1 + 1 = 11. 1 + 1 = 11.
Adeze, you have only 5 minutes to leave if you don't tell me the truth.
You better say the truth.
The truth about what?
About my money. What happened to it?
Okay, I did not steal your money. I did not. I swear, I did not steal your money. My blood will be on your head from generation to generation. You will know no peace from today till the day you will die. As I am dying a painful death, so shall you, your children, your great-grandchildren will all die a painful death. In Jesus' name.
You are swearing, thief like you.
Officer, sir. May I high cool? Only a boba.
Get a life now. If you're not tough, you're not gonna survive. Forget it. Get a life. Get a life now. You get as it be as you get. Forget it. Get a life. Get a life now. If you're not tough.
Sir. No shit.
Collect.
Oh, but I hold something now. I hold something come. Now what for you?
Babes, money down.
Hey, BK.
Hey, yo.
Before, now knock at two.
But two not four.
It makes sense.
Hey, yo, man.
Collect.
Guys, do what you need to get become you. I'll make Yana here, make everybody here.
Zawan, Gawan, na 4. Me, ABK, for SBK. Say I no go fit take car. Who come report and kill now? Eh? Come dey run and JK war. Where in dey now?
Makachi.
See he get Kosi where my grandpop see knock me before he go VB. Onto sequence na kwopenswa by Welete. Say if you give person food, he chop finish, finally belle full. Go insult you join, tell you waka on top. Na him be say him eat thank you, eat very much.
But why?
Point and kill don germinate feather. Na so I see am.
But you see that feather where the guy germinate? You cut am. You see that feather? You must cut that feather.
Wetin me, Erica, 1 year be saying. You see this group so? This Lady Orama family, they don't need us again. I don't talk more. How is that happening, one now? How is that again? They don't need us again. I don't have my own finish. That's what I see.
Erica, you follow. Guys, I wanna see what Erica reason just now. Now be the cocoa. Me, I don't the reason and tete. You don't think we are not saying that the Orama no need us again. But see, be like this, we do on our own. You hear me so? But what she they forget be say this ghetto now we home. The ghetto now we home. And we go survive. Whether good or bad, we go survive for the ghetto. Nothing they happen. We they stand, we give it by, nothing they stop.
You see that family? Nothing this special. Nothing this special about that family. No be family about the process. We could just do on our own or chill. As the matter be, as they do any, we use bullets to bag them. We they bag them with bullets and they smell their skull with bullets. Nothing they did.
You see, Nede Orama, I go let her know say this ghetto na my home.
Makachi,
me personally, run Obayala down. Come be Nede Orama. Nobody born of a woman, even in this Nede Orama family, can stop me.
APK.
Or else, Karawanyas at 32, Bafona 2.
We go survive.
APK, Bafona Nake 2, Obayara.
We they cement their head, we they cement them with bullets. Nothing. No matter.
Nah, God believe you now. I forget say you na my cousin. Capless guy. I don't want you fit do. No subpeda. For now.
They laugh in fire.
You feel me, ba?
Before Nana, Zawanga 1 4. My pulling out from this family has nothing to do with the past. I just woke up this morning and my mind told me to quit. And I'm quitting for good.
Now, so I still leg up this morning. My mind tell me make I quit. And I'm quitting for good. So. Follow me to bus.
Eri bobo saka yaka. Me, Erica. They speak in tongues, so. Yes. Because I don't know what's up for this group. What's up for this network now? Babe, and they put network where get full signal, where get full service. I don't put
Naya, Ojikan. It's all Jibble less again. It's all good less again. It's all keen. I will hear where. But in the sub now, you quit. Okay, I was just so. We're gonna quit now. Quit. Listen, member cat, I'm not enough when I better after 1 + 1 na 11. I'm gonna quit.
Please sit down, my dear.
No man, I don't have my seat. What did I bring this one now? You quit. Okay.
See, this quitting of a thing concern Una. It concern Una because it gets something where they hold us together. Which is
Where you dollar? Just there they run your mouth like that. Just there they run your mouth like palm. If it's set, you go fair bag out. Make your mind there. Only you want, and they say Goro. Only you want, they sell Ojibo. Only you want, they sell Akinu. But you get one thing where you know they sell. One day, you get less go Soji. Yeah. You get less go Soji for you and a guitar.
Where you? Now for Bible, your type the word. Something and Goliath them. If you do anyhow here.
Look at him. But here people make again.
1 + 1. 11. Now your problem be this. If na me call out this color, my abba by now, na mortuary they go to choose for you. Remove this story from my face, you just they're mad.
Okay, Tia na ba.
Now, what is the apple for here?
I said 5 + 1.
Saka 5 + 2.
Don't go bring that thing down.
Maybe on
Mama.
1 + 1.
11.
1 + 1.
11.
1 + 1.
11.
See, Mama, I don't want to know whether 1 + 1 or 11. That money all of us follow suffer for. Now be our own. I want to share now we need.
Nah, waiting the apple for here, sir. Waiting be that. Apple for here, sir.
No near me because I go use my backhand. I go elbow you.
Waiting be that. Mama, my head just a boss for here. Waiting the apple. See, make I tell all of you now. As all of you don't plan, say una no day for this group again. Una don't take una hand, delete una self, come off from here. Now so all the big way, including the money, take delete yourself, come on. So make una don't come here, can't talk money. See road, make una they go. Waiting be that self.
Bella, clap for yourself.
Make I clap for myself.
You be idiots. Tell them. If they get it funny, man, you know what you go be? You go be pussy.
You be hippopotamus.
Fuck you.
Fuck you, Bonsai. Fuck you.
Try am now.
What's be on now? Wait.
Sister, you want dirty her face.
But wait, Sister, you dey hold out. Oh, they hold you, make you not slap me. Shame on you. You be idiots. No be you where Kelebek put for sale the other day. What do you do? You don't reach for where woman dey. Your muscle don't come out. Shame on you again. See, why did they hold you? Before try am now, make you see what for happen now. I for use your blood, take bath for this afternoon. Idiots.
Let me also mind this honorable house, my sweet name.
Point and kill.
I point
Jaja.
and I kill. Hey, BK! You dey push us to the wall. And if you jam that wall, you no go good nah. You no go good. The story fit block here. The story no go good. You no go nice. I know why they talk this thing. Oh. Make all of una calm down. At the time why they take here my business, now they take run this matter now. But I still want to remind una say na me still be the leader
of this Nedim Orama's family. Adamamaka. Oh, Moabu Nedi Oramu.
Yes. I'm an correct.
AKA Ntu Mabuleni 1 Nobuku 1 Gentle. Yeah. Adamamaka Borona on top of ABK. This one way come the rise like Gary with the pour too much on my front. I don't know who they pick the dance where you dance so. But this song where you begin sing now, I just tell you, say this your big 2 legs, they will carry you dance down. So make you wage yourself.
Who they beat the song where they sing? Don't forget say for snooker now with the pot black, the position white.
Wait, ABK. Here no be snooker board. So I don't send what you in the pot, whether that black I be that white. If you do anyhow, you go lose many blood.
Make I know who they beat them.
ABK. You go lose many blood. You go lose blood, I tell you.
Sekwense na kwopenswa. Sekwense akwopenswa by Walete onto Sengemenge. Now this same thing my grandpopsy tell me before they throw am OVB. Say if person come your house, you give am food, he chop finish, come finally belle full. Tell you waka, come add shege join and I be say he eat thank you, eat very much. Now this same thing I no like. Me wey be say, aka say the Sewali, say the Sewakoto, Ekumelu Konto, Jonto. The only Ekumelu Konto, Jonto for this Ekumelu Konto. See, this thing I can't cassette. I bring a cassette. With the talk, some shankers where they here follow the wrong mouth. When men they talk, ordinary shankers, they open mouth they talk. See here? See, you see this blood well that they talk about since. Now my favorite, and they use them as water. So for days now, my throat today thirsty. It dey dry. I no want still use that same blood to water my throat. Make una checkmate that money, cross check and balance a plus put jara and the fish on top. Because if you come out, come ball back again.
You no go easy again.
Shut up.
See person wey play hair. They challenge me. Where be original data? Me where be follow come. I laugh and laugh.
Mona waka too much capping no the full basket.
You are capping ruggedly. See my tell una now una use una self come out una self from IG. I mean Instagram. Fuck it. Who be this one now? Mebele ade mebele.
Oh, they know just say, now God will decide.
Mora,
and nobody getting Mora like this man. Nobody getting like this man. I get many blood. It's just not like this. I swear, I'm going to lose many blood.
Let go, Rama.
1 plus 1. Many blood. I'm going to lose blood.
It's okay.
I think I know. Like, you
know they waste your lifetime.
1 plus 1
equals to level.
1 plus 1 11. 1 plus 1 11. 1 plus 1
11.
Hello? Yeah, I'm there now. Ready to go. I will call you back. Yeah, a minute. I will call you back. Okay.
My brother, once again you are welcome.
Thank you.
Here is cola. Let us share.
Ask you with Raji with Talanta. Thank you.
So my brother, how was the trip?
Very fine, very fine.
Your wife and the children?
They are all fine. And yours?
Very fine.
I'm happy to see you. Hey, where is Kosiso?
Oh, she went out. My brother, you still remember this woman that lives here?
This woman?
Yes.
That is the mother?
Yes.
I know her now, I know her.
Very unfortunate. She's dead.
What happened to her?
My brother, it was sickness, coupled with the problem that the daughter had. Very unfortunate.
Has she been buried?
Oh, she has not. The daughter is still in police custody because of the case.
What kind of case is that?
Brother, it's a very serious one. Robbery case. Armed robbery case. It's unfortunate.
It's a wicked word though, Uncle. I now discover that this word can turn against innocent person in a twinkle of an eye. Hey! Honestly, Adeze's case made me not to believe or trust anyone in this world.
How do you mean?
Uncle, if I were told that that same man Adeze was working for would change to this extent, I will say no to it. Do you know that this same man in question is the man that Adeze used to go to his house to cook for? Hey! Can't believe it though.
See, money has no relationship with anybody. It does not know who is who.
Even at that, Uncle, it's still very unfair. Honestly, it's still very unfair. Do you know that Adeze's mother actually died because of the shock she had when those useless good-for-nothing policemen came to arrest her daughter in the hospital? All because of money. As we speak now, Adeze doesn't know that her mother is dead. To worsen the whole thing, my father and other yard members had gone to that wicked, heartless man several times to beg on Adeze's behalf. Even when he knows that Adeze's mother is dead, he still said no to it. When he actually knows that Adeze did not take that money. Hey, that man is very wicked.
Come on, are you sure that she did not take the money?
Ha! Uncle, I'm sure. I can swear with my life, Adeze did not take that money. I know Adeze very well. She did not take it.
So, don't swear for anybody. Human beings are difficult. They can change within an hour.
Uncle, I disagree with you. Not in Adeze's case. Ha! Adeze did not steal that money. Till tomorrow, I'm still saying it. That man is very wicked. He is very wicked and heartless. Ah! I know Adeze very well. She did not take the money. Wicked and heartless man.
I don't know that person when they can, no, they put her for pocket. I got away with it. Now this is the way
Go there, go tell them.
Set your money now. They go cash. Set your money. Give her money. You shake her. Fuck you.
Oh yeah. What's up?
Oh yeah. I lose money for you now.
Take up. Oh yeah, cut the phone this day.
Why they do like this now? Huh? Why you carry my CBN papers, Wakana?
Ifeko, me Boja, carry your money, move. Ifeko, you don't fuck up, and you know say fuck up. You know this
Boja, make I clear you one thing. Before you, Boja, enter street, me Ifeko, I don't baptize guys who do well for street. For me back my CBN papers, make I waka.
Not come up for your head. You dey crazy? You don't get old man picture for your house. You get mice stand for my face. Me, Poja, they rake for me. Naked.
If I could wait, sir. What to make you think that my guy who your money? Please, I want to say something. First of all, my name is still Spider. And I'm a man of peace. If you know that I don't like trouble and I don't talk too much. The thing here be say, I take my 2 eyes here, I'm going to collect the money.
Spider! You say you take your eyes see me.
Go! Boja, Agwo, Adiri Agwo. Adiri Erimibia. Oh, we find a weapon now, Williano. Oh, what if you weapon now and tell you more Ifeko? Na bella bello. For me, my money make a waka.
Ifeko. Na me Poja, the point metal for face. You don't get old man picture for your house. You don't fuck up. I don't say fuck up in this sound. Ifeko, may your head, they your neck. You hear me so? May your head, they your neck. You don't price. Guy, you go buy. Naked, no match.
Hey, Spoja. I swear if you waka come out, I will light you. If I don't light you, make I waka naked for you. Where can no?
Ifeko, you won't light me. Say if I step, you go light me.
But you're on your uncle. To be now, make you fall back there. Share money loss, Abi. Go fall back.
Say you go light Poja.
Look the fall back now.
Remember, when they go call you, the point metal for my face, say you go light me.
Poja.
Okay, move.
I want to know what that you can about. That's when I can know the play half a pocket. As they go the ball, I put down and limbo. As they be as they are.
Go to run this game. Now we go to run this game. Now we, anything will happen. Now we do it. Anything will not happen. Now we no one do it. Go get this ghetto. Now we go to run this ghetto. Now we go to run this ghetto. Now we, anything will happen. Now we do it. Anything will not happen. Now we no one do it. Go get this ghetto. Now we.
Na 1 ka 44 za 1 ga 1 na 4. These people no know say person wey be am robber no dey act film. If they no share this money, I go let them know say na me be nande tout for this ghetto.
One can live. Talk. A bomb clap dead. Sequence na kwopenswa.
Sese de marine.
Sequence na kwopenswa. By welete onto sengemenge. Wetin I dey avoid na to spill blood. I no want spill blood at all. And anytime wey I remember to spill blood for that inside Nedioramma's family, my guy, sky go red o.
Bosco Lepa Compagnon. Bafon Nanaketu. That is to say, Mado Dada. You must split blood for that money to come out. See that money to come out?
One day, I mean, they are not by Obia Baiwa. By Uguna Bamba based on Oyamina. One day, I pick a Siandia. They no rich.
Onto Abrewa.
But Yara was one day.
They go too far. A minute is too far for we to run that family down. If they no agree comply with us, Karawaya is at 32, Bafon at 2.
Almost into make una mark today. A day is coming when I will remember today. One no man, Messiah had a Messiah no dey lie.
Poja. I don't see Buku.
Oh, we get to.
I don't see no feel lying now. Or you learn them yesterday, or today you learn now. Don't feel lying now. Don't feel lying.
One day, Nayara was be their casket. They don't price. They don't pronounce the heat. One day, can never first heat by say their beef now meat and go chop and clean mouth. One day, it don't set. We say it don't set. And I got what you guys are going on. I get ready now, not to the shop. I got laugh. I got what you ha! You don't reach anything.
Oh, Jack.
You see that lady Arama, she no be good woman.
If they get that woman for animal, that woman go be wolf.
On top of all money again, now they won't die. Money won't follow the hustle. They no rich.
Me APK. Na hungry leopard. I will be the morale where they get for that family now.
They no rich. They no
that
rich.
us. They be your boat now.
Na come. Na him bring car cassette. I say na come. Na him bring car cassette. Me say. Say this a wali. Say this a wakoto. Ekumelu konto jonto. The only Ekumelu konto jonto for this Ekumelu convo. You see that woman, even if she be somebody or something, me say this a wali no notice her.
Mwanya bu pusu. That woman a pusu. Mwa pusu.
Without us, all of them no boat.
Bosco le pas comprenant. Bafon na naketu. Isoboje.
Mora.
Omo, you don't say it, you can just pronounce. Look, we light everywhere.
Sequence now.
Who them be say they will seize our money? Who them be? For what we fight for? They won't hold the money by themselves.
This is ghetto, hard life. No semester, no lele. If you no find them, they will find you. If they find you, show them say you follow ghetto. Ghetto life, ghetto life now. If you know tough, you not gonna survive for ghetto. Ghetto life, ghetto life now. You get as it be as it get for ghetto. Ghetto life now. If you know tough, you not gonna survive for ghetto. Ghetto life now. You get as it be as it get for ghetto. Survive for ghetto. Ghetto life now. You get as it be as it get for ghetto. Ghetto life now. If you know tough, you not gonna survive for ghetto. Ghetto life now. You get as it be as it get for ghetto.
Olúwa Ogodiana Poland. We don't go out again.
That's all.
They ask for your mercy, they ask for forgiveness. For all the bad things, what would they do?
That's all.
We say make you forgive. Onyana, Haloba. You know say na condition that make crayfish bend.
Right.
As we dey ball out for this operation by Jackman, we dey ask you for protection and guidance.
Amen.
Direct our steps
Amen.
as we dey go, so that we will go and come back successfully. As we dey ball out, we dey ask you to protect us from all distraction by Ekelebe. We say, as we ball out so, make better to count. Make we see better to. We will go and come back and nothing will happen. All this and more they ask forever and ever.
account should anyone spill blood. I repeat, on no account should anybody spill blood.
Noted.
1 plus 1.
11.
1 plus 1.
11.
1 plus 1.
11.
Who they run this ghetto?
Now we.
Who they run this ghetto?
Now we. Anything will happen. Now we do it. Anything will happen.
Waiting now. Sese, which one can't they do like woman? You not be man again. I said not be man, you be again.
Sequence na kopenswa. Sequence na kopenswa. By welete onto sengemenge. Nediorama This one by Kosio based on Abrewa. The nyana they feel you.
As in by Obia Paiwana.
Confirm! Based on the Yara Woods now by Uguna Bankpa. Me as a day, I one day by Standard Trust Bank. The Nyana, they hear you.
As in by Oyami Wena.
You dey gay. You dey gay. You know everything.
Sese, I called you here because you are more intelligent than ABK and others. That's why I called you.
What do you dey yarn? What do you want?
This division, when una won't take scatter us, you know go walk. You know enter.
And so?
I want the family make we dey together as we did before.
Sequence na kwa pensua by welete onto sengemenge. Nedorama, which family self you the cap give me so? Which family? See, as long as this get today concerned, make I just reason I give you. I not say I say me are falling for any family.
Sister, we have wined, dined, and operated as one family. Don't you think it's going to be childish if we separate now?
Nah, too much talk there for here, Onedi Orama. Too much talk there for here. You see, when I get the info say you won't sight my facial look again, I think saying by the rubber, now you want knock for my hand for every of us. But now don't say and say your speedometer they run too fast. See, as you dey reason me, now living news now be my case scale. Nedi Orama na by kawayo. Na by kawayo.
Sister, don't stop by. I don't make root for ground. You don't shop shit. No dey fear again. I still dey here and you won't come up for my side. Sister.
Nedi Orama. If you get another thing where you want cap give me so. Keep am first. Make I go reinforce. So that if I disembark again, you talk am for second missionary journey. You dey feel me? But for now, na Livinus na be my case. Sequence na kwa pensua by welete onto sengemenge.
Stubborn fly.
People they carry me play. When money not there, everybody run away. When money not there, na. People they use me they play. Say when money not there, nobody look at my face. The feeling the bar. The ladies, they want in the bar. When we go in, it's good and good. Many people will be your friend. When money not there, people they carry me play. When money not there, everybody run away. When money not there, na. People they use me to play. I say when money not there, nobody look at my face. Hey, they say me a the crazy. Original boy, Mr. Flavor.
Make you spend them, brother, Oh, you make good turn on no up for my sister, Oh, yeah, once in a while we supposed to be jolly, Oh, yeah, yankulu dance my sherry, oh. When money no day, everybody a bubble some. I say when money no day, I got you the only one. Abruku to my man, oh we turn a bet and I tell you. Tonight you no flavor to my yell, where the papa one of your side. When money no day, I say when money no day, I love you, but no. I treat it and say, baby, if you want to touch, you will take on. Tonight you know flavor to my yard. The way Papa want to buy yourself.
The feeling, the boy. The ladies, they want that to boy. Well, I sing say when money not take, everybody run away. Nobody wants to stay. Just because money not there. No money done there, no. Everybody come my way. People that won't stay. Don't be me, you go just play. When money not there, everybody run away. When money not there, everybody run away. I say when money not there, no. When money not there, you don't want run away. Now the boys soft, man.
Inspector, let me send for you, Mama. I hear say they don't post to new DPO, come not true.
Mama, not true. But the man never resumed work fully.
And the man come there now, you don't assess her.
Mama, the man na all over. The man government na chop I chop.
Hi! Oh my God. Make I salute them now. Now I'm go start new business. Original one. Now we go enter inside, do the correct thing. That one enter.
Once the man resume work fully, I go invite you, make him meet you one-on-one.
Now that one enter, that one. If they, at least, since government know they asked about us. This government, you know say, if you dey sweat, call the cash you. If you call the cash you, go begin the sweat. We go begin take our hand, find the thing where we go the shop. You know say we get plenty bills where we go dey pay. We go dey eat, we go dey pay bill. So now we go begin the correct business.
Mama, where dollar them now? Since I come, I never see them. What's happen?
Dollar them not there. Since 1 week they enter town. Go also.
Mama, na change. Government change. Mama, if they come, I will give me my call to. I dey see you na report for my table, but based on say as it be, if I say I no go sign.
You no talk, you no say we dey clean your face well. We dey clean your face now. As you dey sweat so, we go clean am. I been a cold dey catch you. And we go mop am up. I no get problem now. Make you tell that one wey dey there say him too no get problem. I dey come see am. Abeg make I salute am again. DPO take am. Oh, change. Let me get ghetto. Here na my own.
Touch, leave me. Leave me make I show this idiot, this animal. If I could, you dey craze. Come on for you. You dey mad. You dey mad. You dey craze. You dey craze. You dey mad. Damn. If I could, you dey craze. Wetin give you the matter for this ghetto? You dey craze. You know the look face.
Neki, you get luck, say. The person with the bend down pee. If you say no be person with the bend down pee, na person with the stand pee like me, I for don't know what's up with them.
No. God. They hold me.
Who you be, sir?
They hold me.
Who you be? Where I go fear you? Ifeko nekeko. Who you be? Where I go fear you? Onto which level?
Ifeko, you don't know me, Ifeko, you don't know me, I go just give you the pieces of. You don't know me. I don't see you don't know me.
Neki, near me. I say near me. I swear, if I don't split your blood,
Make I walk naked for road.
My own blood, now you go split for damn. Eh? If I could, what you just talk? Say you go split my own blood, aka Nikki Mwachukuma, for this ghetto. As in Yarawus or Wetty. Until Wetty, you go to split.
Nikki Bele Bello. Nikki. Important like ghetto. Bele Bello.
Your mates they carry JP, hot one, you guys shinko. Make sure that thing. Come on, even tell me say you don't get my borrow you now.
Hey. It's the way guys will come here and start to phone Galadima for us. Babe, will still come here for still phone Galadima for us. Babe, you think the same man name na spider. I know they for too much talk. What's the get to do? One we talk too much.
God go punish that your mouth for
those
God go punish you 10 times. So you won't come and let me know say you dey speak fune for gain and abi. Now what you want let me know? This place what and now your papa get am. Now you all come and build am. I swear spider no buy my market too. No buy my market too because if you buy my market you no go fit stand down.
Babe, I like you so much. I too like you. You know why I like you? I like you because you are very stupid. And you make more sense when you are keeping quiet. What's the get to do? Damn! Does it matter? No, water. Make your match. Damn! Touch!
Catch waiting.
Touch!
Damn, man!
Damn! Fuck you, spider! You want tell me say you don't get trust and now make her for borrow you. But tell me now because I get them enough.
Make it match! I say match.
Be a touch. As long as you do, I can't work. On a form like packaging on top packaging. Touch. Show me see the one.
Damn, man! What's up? Ina chapaka kalika papaya. Na chapaka papa. Nya. What the? Nya, mboko ka. Kana kando na. Mfebuwa.
Shut them. Squad them. On the telephone one you
If you tell me you get what I make her forgive. You know, so I get your medicine. I'm gonna make my idea.
Squad them also.
Touch light.
Squad them.
Pipe low.
Nikki, open your ear well. Hear me well. If I ever catch you with my baby again, then me and you will get this kid.
It's outside there, so you see that girl. Male,
Jenny.
Shit!
The Calebes make you come supply and not give them. They feel like Lucky. This now you go now. I tell you them is more than no. I think this one.
Who they run this ghetto? Now we. Who they run this ghetto? Now we. Anything will happen. Now we do it. Anything will not happen. Now we no one do it. Who get this ghetto? Now we. Who they run this ghetto? Now we. Who they run this ghetto? Now we. Anything will happen. Now we do it. Anything will not happen.
I say now which people they here.
I don't feel you like that. Hey, I tell you something. Nadia Ramba. You don't say fowl get leg, can't get wing, but now mouth they take for the children. What the person get? Now they take to cola. It's going to go to emoji.
That's so.
Don't I go now?
Abara. This one now. This one a better cola. This one sweet past now. Hey, thank you, my brother. I be want tell you say I don't feast my birthday date too.
Mama, your birthday gone.
Never.
More daddy day for you.
Never. Joy. Nejorama. You see me when be Nikki. For this ghetto, Mwachukuma ma wunyere go no.
Na my pikin you.
Ma wunyere go no too much.
My brother.
I'm going to ask you say how the take flow now. Who should go fix the date to me?
No, I put the date for 24th now.
Oh,
You know say you go supply me banana. You know say I go give you stand now. You don't trust me again.
Confirm.
Rob, not the tie egg. Otherwise, what you go bust places some more? So, Pale.
Pale, give it back my drink.
Make I begin to go now because I get other people say I want to go.
Twale, mama.
Nothing do you.
Nedi Oramawa.
I trust you now. I trust you now. Mama Ghetto. Mama Ghetto. Mama Ghetto. Confirm, carry go, every hour.
Lekki.
I mean,
Lekki.
My hand for your black face.
If you come that gun again, let's go. If I hack crab again, let's go.
now go.
They will say I don't do it again.
I go just nod you for jaw for this your two face. What did they do you now? What did they walk you?
You go tell me what did they walk you? You see me here, dollar man at the ball. Freshest boy for the ghetto they here at the ball. You they blow horn when with this rubbish people and back, no gonna come back. I did there. No gonna come back. Open it.
One day area for me, I beg.
Hey, how maybe don't fail him now? Don't leave this connect for this ghetto. Wait till they stop now.
Look at it.
He could fly.
But you know if you fly past me. You know if you fly past me.
For this secument look comfort.
Like that.
Wait. At the dog, you dey tobo for me for air.
Dasha.
Me the dog, you dey tobo for me for air. Dollar.
Make a yarn you You see dog where they go finally kill. You know they hear whistle where hunter they blow.
You dey see me ba? As you stay now, I go spill your blood. Nah, take a wash out.
Me, no dey make noise for here. Mike, lay your down. No be by height, no be by size, no be by gun, and by morale. None of time. Say you know my way now.
Oji kanele. Ito oji mo lesege. Ito ogoro lesege. Ito ziaki. I will ye one.
1+1. 1+1.
How could I go back? How could I go back?
Where my music? Wanna come up for ya? Dollar.
You get wetin my grandpops tell me before they throw am over. Say if person come your house, you give am food. He eat finish, finally belle full. Come tell you what, add shake join am.
Now him be say him eat thank you eat very much. You see that thing where you define when you go happen. When it go happen, this sky will white so go black. I no go believe her.
Women meeting. What be women meeting? Start them now. Start them now. Unless God told you what day, it's all on the talking I will hear. I'm going to for your face. I'm going to over your head.
And they talk, you they trouble for me. I'm going to for your help.
I said for sure, play.
And the way that I move is nothing, it's nothing, it's nothing. I know my life is something, I know my life is something.
This is ghetto, hard life. No submissive man, no lily. If you no find them, they will find you. If they find you, show them say you follow ghetto. Ghetto life, ghetto life now. If you know tough, you know.
Oh, come on, you just go about there. Let's say this people catch us at close range. But wait, how they tell you say we there they receive anointing? Tell me how they tell you say we there they receive anointing. Now I want to know.
Jack Melo, I took him. I didn't suspect them. She didn't see him. No more man talk Ramon yard. See, they don't discuss him. They don't discuss him matter. So they don't do us like him. They discuss him. I tell you people. Now those niggas waiting for street, waiting parole, where they call themselves dead, they say they be suya seller. Those in the house, man, not there they suspect. Not there. One of those, man.
See, imagine what Nara about you. They plan for us. But they don't go catch us now. Who they big one? They see where I go to catch us.
Ma Basi, if I didn't plan out, I go through them close range one by one. I go tell them say na me be AGK for this ghetto, aka Sibawa. One day, if I don't throw the close range, make I move. See, for this ghetto, I dey collect those people where they find who they go collect. I dey worry those where they worry me, even people where they worry me for this ghetto. Now they use me play for this ghetto. One day, Ma Basi, I go through the close range and I go tell them say for this ghetto. I swear. See, bullet. Swear. We go march, go share that Abadu. This ghetto now waiting. Now my home. I'm going to tell you say, this ghetto, now my home. One day, I don't go tell up by 1 million. Guys, we got to move. We'll go shower those. We for sure are here. But why won't we go share them outside? Say, they feel rush enter here. You understand what I mean now? So we got to move. I go show them say this ghetto. Now my home.
Now we go to run this ghetto. Now we, anything will happen. Now we do it. Anything will not happen. Now we don't want to do it. Go get this ghetto. Now we go to run this ghetto. Now we go to run this ghetto. Now we, anything will happen. Now we do it. Anything will not happen. Now we don't want to do it.
Yeah. Where you dey? As I talk to you now, she dey with that girl. I said she dey with the girl.
Jenny, so this is true.
Feko, you dey Chris. You dey mad? I mean, you chop mess. You didn't give you the mara to enter my own cabin. Eh? No, I ask you, dey mad? You didn't give you the mara to enter my own cabin. Call the challenge person why I did with you, dey Chris.
I thunder go fire this your mouth. I said I thunder go business this your mouth. Make the shit. You see the film.
Hey, come out from my room. Come out from my room. You dey Chris. Come out from my room.
If your hand touch me, pick him again, I swear. If I will split your blood for good. And I then again walk out.
Go split my blood. You go split my blood.
I'm sorry. I will punish you there. I will punish you and your entire generation. What did I dare do for you? Jenny, I dey go operation. Make I make you happy. Jenny, I dey go operation. They split blood to put food for your belly. You choose to do your fellow woman. What did make God? Yes. Destroy Sodom and Gomorrah. I wouldn't talk about it. That talk will remain. That's for you. This girl is my happiness. I've taken her. I swear. As far as I'm concerned in this game, I get peace in your life.
I said, I will grab it for you. The day I will grab it for you. The day I will grab it for you. I will pull and come out. If you try me next time, I will grab it for you. I will pull and come out. Grace. Move. We are delete now. Delete. You don't talk finish. Delete. Move. Come out from my room. Come out from my room. I said, come out from my room. Come out from my room. Grace. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Grace. Baby, come sit down. Listen. Forget this guy. Yeah? Forget this guy. Nothing to do anything for you. You understand? Anything I go give you, I go give you. Yeah? Forget this guy. Like it? Don't worry.
This ghetto. Now we